In this presentation, you will learn about the history of Hindi journalism. The first Hindi newspaper, Udant Marthand, a weekly, was published in Kolkata on May 30th, 1826. However, its editor, Jugal Kishore Shukla, faced many difficulties in running it. He was not allowed postal concession and had to close down the paper within a year. He made an attempt to start another paper in 1850 called Samyadani Marthand, but this also failed. The second Hindi newspaper, Bangadoot, was published in 1829 by Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Dwarika Prasad Thakur, with Neel Ratan Haldar as its editor. Besides Hindi, it was also published in English, Bengali, and Persian. The first Hindi daily, Samachar Sudha Varshan, came out in June 1854 from Kolkata, with Shyam Sundar Sen as its editor and publisher. It was a bilingual paper in which market and shipping reports were published in Hindi and the rest in Bengali. Between 1850 and 1857, a number of Hindi newspapers were published. Among them were Banaras Akhbar, Sudhakar Tattva Bodhini, Patrika, and Satya. Banaras Akhbar was the first paper to introduce Devanagari script in the northwest provinces. Some papers of this time used to carry both a Hindi and Urdu name and used to publish news in both languages in parallel columns. For example, Sarvopkarak, Mufid ul Khalik, published from Agra in 1861, and the Bharat Khandamitra, Abhi Hayat-e-Hind, published in 1864. But this trend did not last long. A literary magazine which set the standard for Hindi journals in the early years was Saraswati, a monthly edited by Mahavir Prasad Dwivedi. It standardized the style and pattern of Hindi journalism and developed literary criticism and book reviews. It became the torchbearer for later-day Hindi journalists who cultivated its prose style. Newspapers like Bharat Mitra, Sarsudhanindi, Uchit Waqt, and Hindi Bangavasi were published from Calcutta during the last 3 decades of 19th century. Bharat Mitra, published from Calcutta, became the leading Hindi newspaper of the time under the dynamic stewardship of its early editors, Balmukund Gupta and Ambika Prasad Bajpai. Approximately 150 papers and journals were either started or restarted between 1884 and 1894. The contents of most of these papers were concerned with social or religious subjects. Many of them were sectional, some were political, and a few set a high literary standard. The beginning of the new century saw the birth of many Hindi dailies in Bombay, Calcutta, and Patna. The more prominent among them were Sri Venkateshwar Samachar and Calcutta Samachar. Vishwamitra, which was started after the Calcutta Samachar became defunct, offered serious competition to Bharat Mitra from 1918. Hindi journalism made rapid progress during the First World War period, and many outstanding journalists came to the fore, including Ganga Prasad Gupta, Nandakumar Deo Dharma, M.P. Dwivedi, Hari Krishna Johar, Chote Ram Shukla, Indra Vidya Chaspati, Sri Ram Pandey, Lakshmi Narayan Gharde, and Narmada Prasad Mishra. One of the foremost Hindi journalists who earned a name for his patriotism was Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi. In 1913, he brought out weekly Pratap from Kanpur. He made the supreme sacrifice in 1931 in the cause of Hindu-Muslim unity. Krishna Dutt Paliwal brought out Sainik from Agra, which became a staunch propagator of nationalism in western UP. The noted Congress leader Swami Shraddhanand started the publication of Hindi journal Veer Arjun and Urdu journal Tej. After the assassination of Swami Shraddhanand, Vidya Vachaspati and Lala Deshbandhu Gupta, both prominent Congress leaders, continued the publication of these journals. At the turn of the century, almost all Calcutta-based Hindi newspapers went vocal against the suppressive and divisive policies of the Raj. This marked the beginning, in 1907, of two outstanding magazines, Risina and Devnagar. Risina, edited by Ambika Prasad Vajpayee, a staunch supporter of Lokmanya Tilak, was a political magazine, and it joined the protest against British rule. Devnagar, on the other hand, tried to work on a uniform script. In 1920, the Aaj was started in Benares. It played a notable part in the freedom struggle. Its first editor was Sri Prakash, a great freedom fighter who occupied positions of power and prestige in free India. He was assisted by Baburao Vishnu Parakar, whose contribution to the development of Hindi journalism was considerable. Espousing the national cause and waging a never-ending battle with the alien rulers, the Aaj was a bulwark of the Indian National Congress and its main forum to spread the message of freedom to the Hindi-speaking masses of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and Nepal. It set the tone and style for Hindi journalism and was acclaimed for its impartial, objective reporting and illuminating and fearless editorials. A balanced blending of national and international news was one of its strong features. In Patna, the Desh, a weekly, was an influential journal and mouthpiece of the Congress. It was founded by Babu Rajendra Prasad and his friends in 1920. But it was not a profitable venture and had to close down. In 1924, there were 102 Hindi newspapers. 4 of them were dailies like Aaj, Banaras, Swatantrata, etc. According to a historian, until 1926, Hindi dailies were not financially successful. Their get-up and printing was poor, the reading material not quite up to the mark, and the editorials unwieldy and lengthy. The weeklies were better edited and more popular. Among the important Hindi dailies which flourished in the 1930s were Vishwamitra and Bharat Mitra in Calcutta, Savado Bharat in Bombay, Lokat in Jabalpur, Variman in Kanpur, Milap in Lahore. As the freedom struggle gained momentum, there was a steady rise of Hindi journalism, both in terms of quality and quantity. More Hindi publications started in almost all North Indian states and also in Maharashtra, Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh, especially Hyderabad. Hindi publications, like other language publications, by and large supported the nationalist movement and faced the suppression of the British rulers. One of the important Hindi dailies to be published from the capital was Hindustan, sister newspaper of the Hindustan Times, started in 1936. Wide news coverage and a variety of special features marked the Hindustan. Hindi journalism grew more rapidly after independence. Post-independence, Hindi was adopted as the official language of India. This also helped to spread Hindi language nationwide. The Nav Bharat Times of the Times Group started in Delhi in 1950. The Amrit Patrika of Allahabad was another notable Hindi daily which was well known for its editorials. By 1964, Hindi had the largest number of newspapers among language papers. The trend of publishing multiple editions from different states helped Hindi newspapers to increase their reach and circulation. According to the Registrar of Newspapers in India, the total number of publications in Hindi was 27,527 in 2007-2008, including 3,418 daily newspapers and 12,793 weeklies. By mid-2011, Hindi daily Dainik Jagran claimed to be the largest read newspaper of the world. 6 out of the top 10 newspapers with highest number of readership in India were Hindi. According to the Indian Readership Survey, the top 10 largest read Hindi newspapers are Dainik Jagran, Dainik Bhaskar, Hindustan, Amar Ujala, Rajasthan Patrika, Punjab Kesari, Navbharat Times, Prabhat Khabar, Patrika, and Nai Duniya. All of the newspapers have multiple editions from different cities and states. Hindi newspapers are published from several states. Besides the North Indian Hindi belt, sizable numbers of Hindi publications are there in West Bengal, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and other states. There are 2 popular Hindi dailies from Hyderabad, Swatantra Varta and Milap. Kolkata-based Sanmarg has an edition from Bhubaneswar and Odisha. Assam also had Hindi newspapers. Dainik Lokmanya was the first Hindi newspaper of Assam. A few interesting facts. The Indian language newspapers covered the mental gap between readers in rural areas and the English language press. Local language newspapers reflected the views of their readers more accurately and in clearer terms than English newspapers. Hindi newspapers played a constructive role in the promotion of government policies. Hindi newspapers helped the understanding of political process, and as a result, more and more people were attracted to active politics. Hindi newspapers played an important role during elections for propaganda and views on local affairs. Thank you for watching the presentation.